Go.
Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm
gonna do the pencil.
gonna jump in the hot tub and do a tag.
No, you're gonna do something right here.
I'm gonna
Watch out, bud.
Do a pencil.
Do a pencil.
Do this.
Oh, you gotta get your things on.
Yeah. And I'm gonna go get my
Wait. Show me your dance.
tech. What can I do?
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 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 down. Listen here, go. That's all. So we're gonna go get my uncle. He's gonna give me stars.
Oh.
Like a mature person. You
Okay, get together, bros.
What?
Get together.
What?
Get together, Austin.
What are we doing?
Just get together in the pool.
No.
Okay, get together like brothers. Okay, what? Oh, look at those muscles, Braxton. Where's your muscles? Okay, what's your name?
Braxton. That's strong.
What's your name?
Austin.
What's your position you play, Austin?
They say I'm linebacker. I play wing.
Austin, Braxton, what do you play?
Wing and second string quarterback.
And
Dad!
what did you play,
I play
Haley?
quarterback on defense.
Cool.
Stop it!
Okay. All right, go
Hey,
swim.
Oh, yeah. Fun shit.
Okay, jump in the pool. Do it. Oh, yeah. No.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
Haley.
Ah!